In this video, we're going to talk about how to use keywords to increase your opportunities on LinkedIn. Now, when people are looking for either people to employ, consultants to engage, people are looking for businesses to partner with, they write in some words, right? They search something. The words that they use to look for, if it's you and your career, or look for you as a business partner, are the keywords that they use. When you're on LinkedIn, be very, very intentional about using keywords on your profile so that when recruiters are searching for people in a specific industry, for a specific position, for not only a position, seniority in that position, years of experience, the type of education that person should have, etc., they have a more likely chance to zero in on your profile if you use the keywords they search on your profile. This is the same as businesses looking to engage with other businesses, or individuals looking for businesses to work with. They will search in words. I want you to take note of those keywords that they would usually use in their search and put them on your business profile so that it increases the chances that they will land on your page. Now, how do you know what kind of keywords people use when they're looking for other people to connect with for career and business? Ha ha ha. You can start with, for instance, a job description. Many job descriptions for a specific position will give you the competencies required for that job. It will give you the responsibilities. It will give you the skills and certifications necessary for a person to successfully carry out the duties of that job. It will tell you the education requirements, whether it's a specific degree or from a specific institution. Job descriptions are rich with keywords that are used for those positions in those industries and are exactly what recruiters and businesses will use to search for you if you're looking for related opportunities. So go to Google, write in the title of the job description of the opportunity you seek, and it will come up. Take note of the keywords that are used in those job descriptions. I recommend that you try 3 to 5 job descriptions so that you can get a feel. Some positions have different titles, but more or less similar responsibilities. Look for common keywords that cut across in your specific industry or your specific profession across the industries, and use those as you're writing your heading, your about section, your experience, your interests, your skill sets on your LinkedIn profile. Another place to search for keywords is in hashtags. Write in a hashtag that is related to the position you seek, that is related to the industry, that is related to the type of organization, that is related to the type of experience that you seek. And you will see many, many other hashtags that are related to that hashtag. That also points to the keywords that a lot of people use online when they are having conversations related to the opportunities you seek. So job descriptions, rich with keywords. Hashtags, absolute dictionary mine of keywords that industry experts, that people speaking the lingo of that industry, of that position, of that profession use those on your LinkedIn profile. And voila, you have hacked your way to the top of searches that recruiters, businesses, or individuals seeking businesses, entrepreneurs, consultants to work with search when they're looking to connect with people such as you for the very opportunities that you want to position for. If this video has spoken to you, come on somebody, give me a like, subscribe to Modesta.Africa TV, and turn on notifications. I will be sending out more videos on how to stand out on LinkedIn and how to position to leverage the opportunities that are out there, but many just don't know how to position for. My name is Modesta Mhando Mbughuni. I am on a quest to equip 100 million global African leaders because I know that Africa is going to be the leading economic region in the world, and I need you to be amongst the leaders that drive that ascent. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.